thought I'd do a little bit about me. You guys are on here watching me for me or my work or my workshop or tools or whatever. So I thought I'd just do a quick tour of my workshop. Want to have a look? So as you walk into my space, which is a lot tidier now, I've been tidying things up. My door's a bit noisy. Sorry about that. Some of my carving here. So this is a panel for the side of my van, which is still work in progress, but it hangs there as well. Tidy down here, a board that's going to be painted. Around here, books, some safety equipment, safety stuff, somewhere for your coat. Over here, shelving. This is all coming out for the IFOG. It's all coming off. That's all going to be tidied up and sorted. And all of this wood here is going in these boxes here, which is going underneath the storage over there. This is a cabinet I made a long time ago. This was for my masterpiece for college. Still workshop, 1991 workshop. It's not a workshop. Workbox. Chisels and things, my light, which you might have seen flashing, we'll flick that off in a minute. There's my bench that I've had for donkey's years. Nice big tail vise, nice record vise, good space. Here's my Chippendale table that I made a while ago. Beautiful stool. Ash. Lights on benches is good. Now this wall's here, I've got a bit of space here. At the moment it's a little bit of a workstation for me. But I come around here and there's that storage that I've recently built, which is great. And that wall will be changing slightly. Then over here, timber racks, timber storage, timber, that all needs tidying up. That's saw, extraction, vacuum cleaner, table saw is pretty good. This was the second bench I made for the workshop. I'd already got that one. So sorry, this is the first bench I made for the workshop. So this is a pretty good student bench. Bit of storage. I use the ends for storage, which is great thing to do, adds more weight. And then in here I've got a few bits and pieces. This was the second bench I made, just a quick one. Again, this one, put as much in it as possible. This one now houses waxes and polishes in there. So that's a good little bench. Machines, bandsaw, pillar drill, extraction, pillar drill, bobbin sander, collection of planes, yeah, power tools, sink, fridge, metalworking bench. Look at the state of this. Look at the state of this. This is waiting for me to make some storage for those Chinese containers to go up there, and then all of this can be cleared. A few more tools and bits. But yeah, that's my workshop. That's my bit of space. Periodically work on something, get an area and a bit done, it looks better, feels better. Got that back together today because that had broken, which is just an MDF plane and a square mobile type thing, just so that people can see from the outside. Creative woodwork. Hobby horse I made, I'll show you that if you ask. Couple of planes, blocks made out of the dust. That's about it. That's my bit of space. It's pretty good. Thanks for watching.